Yes, what's happening? It's been a while. Now let's do a 33 kV Nexans straight joint. Now these videos are getting a lot harder to cram into 3 minutes, so this is edited to the max. As you can see, I'm sliding the heat shrink tubes down the cable because we are in big trouble if we forget to do that. Sand off both sides of the cable. You see I've done all the measurements, and now I'm using the Ripley US15 Pro Max to remove the outer sheath, and accompanying that with the jacket lifter. Now yes, you can use a knife, and yes, you can use a Stanley blade, but to be honest, why would you when these tools exist? They make it easy. Now remove the outer sheath, remove the moisture wrap, and bend your copper wires back, and then just take them up out of the way to deal with later. Now we're going to use the trusty Ripley US02 to remove the semicon. Now I'm using that on this side of the cable because this is bonded, and then on the other side you see now that I'm using the SCS Max with a clamp because this is strippable, or easy peel as you should say. It's very simple. Set the tool up and just glide it round, and then using a sharp knife peel off the end, wrap it with a long nose plier, and then it should peel off quite easy, but it never does. It's an absolute pain in the arse. Now we're going to remove the insulation from the core using the Ripley US01. Now this tool cuts very quick and very thick. Make sure to stop the tool 10mm away from the core to leave a perfect 90-degree edge. Do this to the other side, and then push the lug into place, and then shear it off with the appropriate tool. Lovely job that. Making sure that the lug has no sharp edges or burrs, fill the holes with a grey putty and apply stress control wraps. You can see this one is going around the lug, and then we have two separate little bits going around the semicon cut. These are crucial bits of the kit. Slide the red tube on top of all of your stress control, centre it and shrink down, and then slide the black tube on top. Starting from one side, working your way to the other, wrap it round with the mesh, then pull your copper stream wires back on top of each other, centre them and connect with a shear off lug, apply a bit of mastic around there to stop there being any sharp edges, add your self-amalgamating tape both sides to create a nice water block, and then slide the big heat shrink tube down and shrink that down. And that is a job done. 800mm to 1000mm heat shrink straight joint. Lovely job.